In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use follow-up flags in Outlook messages, helping you stay organized and on top of your email communication. Managing emails effectively is crucial for productivity, and Outlook provides some great tools to help with this. Let's get started with the basics of how you can flag emails for follow-up. First, we'll open Outlook. It's probably something you do several times a day, but just in case it's new to you, simply locate the Outlook icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click it. With Outlook open, navigate to your inbox. Here, you'll see a list of emails, and this is where the magic begins. Hover your mouse over an email that you want to come back to. As you do this, you'll notice a small flag icon appear on the right side of the message. Click the flag icon, and voila, your email is now flagged for follow-up. The flagged icon acts as a visual cue that you need to revisit this particular message. Now let's add a specific follow-up reminder to an email. This is incredibly useful for keeping on top of deadlines or needing to remember particular information at a given time. You'll begin by right-clicking the flag icon on the email you've flagged. A menu will pop up with several options for follow-up times. Choose from today, tomorrow, this week, next week, no date, or select custom if none of these options fit your needs. Selecting custom allows you to tailor the follow-up exactly to your schedule. For even more control, let's go through how to create a custom reminder and due date. Start by right-clicking the flagged email once again. Select custom from the drop-down menu. Here you can set a start date and a due date that aligns perfectly with your project timelines or personal priorities. You can also specify a reminder time to alert you precisely when you need to act. Once you've set all the parameters to your satisfaction, click OK. Outlook will now alert you at the chosen reminder time, ensuring you never miss a beat. Eventually, you'll complete the task linked to your email, and it's time to mark the follow-up as complete. To do this, simply click the flag again. Alternatively, if you prefer, right-click the email instead and select Mark Complete from the drop-down menu. As soon as you do that, you'll see the flag icon change to a checkmark. This is a satisfying visual completion cue, letting you know at a glance that the action has been done. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to use follow-up flags in Outlook. This feature is incredibly helpful for prioritizing and tracking your emails, ensuring you remain efficient and organized. Remember, the key to managing emails is consistency, so make follow-up flags a part of your daily routine to reap the benefits. Thanks for joining me, and happy emailing!